Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best pool pump O-ring is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in maintaining a crystal clear and efficiently running swimming pool, acting as the silent guardian against leaks and pressure loss that can compromise your entire filtration system's performance and lead to costly repairs if not properly addressed with the right replacement. Number 5. Captain O-ring 350013 Lid O-ring, 3-pack. Keep your pool pump running smoothly with our high-quality lid O-rings. Designed for a precise fit, they prevent leaks and maintain optimal performance. These replacements are compatible with a wide range of Pentair and STA-Right pool and spa pump models. Check your pump's parts diagram to confirm compatibility. Easily replace your worn-out O-ring with our part number 350013. It also corresponds to other part numbers like 352600 and 355332 for your convenience. Manufactured and warranted by Captain O-ring LLC, these O-rings are proudly assembled in the USA. Experience reliable quality for your pool equipment. With an inside diameter of approximately 5 to 7/8 inches and an outside diameter of 6 to 3/8 inches, this O-ring ensures a snug and secure seal. This convenient 3-pack ensures you have spares on hand. Keep your pool or spa pump in top condition with this essential replacement part. What we like. This pack offers broad compatibility with many Pentair pump models, ensuring you likely have the right fit. It's proudly assembled in the USA, offering a quality assurance. If you have a Pentair pump and need a reliable replacement, this 3-pack is a great value. What people say. Perfect fit and seal. Bought these for my pool frog system and figured if they didn't fit I'd save them for my pumps. They fit perfect and are large enough in diameter to not leak. Used on Pentair IntelliFlow pool pump. I have used standard O-rings in the past that have had a slight air leak around the cap. This O-ring is about 0.025 foot thicker. Standard size is 0.250 foot thick, this one is 0.275. Perfect fit on the cap. Very happy, thank you, Captain O-ring. Number 4. Intex above ground plunger valves, 2-pack. Introducing a 2-pack of replacement plunger valves for your Intex above ground pool. These are essential for maintaining your pool's filtration system. Designed for pools using 1.5-inch hoses with 2.5-inch threaded fittings, these valves make switching hoses and pumps incredibly simple. Upgrade your pool maintenance routine. Each replacement comes with a plunger valve, hose O-ring, and step washer. Everything you need for a quick and easy installation. Replace your old, worn-out plunger valves with these new ones. They are a perfect fit for your existing setup. These are compatible with several Intex filter pump models, including 28635EG, 28633EG, and many others. Ensure optimal performance for your pool. What we like. Designed specifically for Intex above-ground pools with 1.5-inch hoses, this set simplifies maintenance. It makes switching out hoses or pumps incredibly easy. If you own an Intex above-ground pool and want a hassle-free way to manage your filtration system, these are the valves for you. What people say. These work great to isolate the filter system in order to service the system or clean the basket. They work perfectly on both Bestway and Intex pools. It's so nice to be able to change the filter without water rushing to the pump. This has made it super easy to isolate my pump so I could clean the screen without losing prime. Number 3. Intex Sand Filter Pump Repair Set. Ensure your pool stays crystal clear with essential replacement parts. This kit is designed to maintain the optimal performance of your Intex sand filter pump. This set includes vital components to keep your sand filter pump running smoothly. It's perfect for addressing wear and tear on your existing equipment. The kit features a tank O-ring specifically designed for 12 and 14-inch sand filter pumps and combos. This ensures a tight seal for efficient operation. A replacement drain valve O-ring is also provided for your sand filter pump and combo. This helps prevent leaks and maintain water pressure. Included is an L-shape O-ring for the pump motor, crucial for its smooth and efficient functioning. Keep your system protected and performing at its best. With these specific replacement parts, you can easily maintain your Intex sand filter pump system. Keep it in top condition for worry-free pool enjoyment. What we like. This kit provides essential O-rings for various Intex sand filter pump sizes and components. It includes seals for the tank, drain valve, and motor. If you have an Intex sand filter pump experiencing leaks or needing general upkeep, this repair set offers the specific parts you need. What people say. Works great and no leaks whatsoever. Everything needed to repair pump. Very satisfied. It had all the O-rings and gaskets needed to make your pump ready for a fun-filled summer. It also came with an EW drain plug. Number 2. Pentair Challenger WFE Lid O-Ring. Is your pool pump lid leaking? It might be time to replace the O-ring. This part is designed to ensure a watertight seal for your pump. This O-ring is compatible with a wide range of Pentair pumps. It fits models like IntelliFlow VF, VS3050, VSSVRS, and WhisperFlow. It also works with Challenger and Pinnacle in-ground pool and spa pumps. If you have a Pentair pump, chances are this will fit. This replacement part isn't just for residential pumps. It also fits Pentair EQ Series commercial and waterfall pool and spa pumps. Designed for a precise fit, it measures 6 to 1/4 inches in length. Ensure a secure and reliable seal with this essential component. Crafted for durability, this O-ring will provide a long-lasting seal. Keep your pool pump operating efficiently and prevent water loss. What we like. This is a direct replacement lid O-ring for specific Pentair pump models, ensuring a precise fit and seal. It's designed for optimal performance with compatible Pentair systems. If you have one of the listed Pentair pumps and require an exact OEM-style replacement, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Seem to match OEM number and right size. It arrived in vacuum-sealed Pentair OEM packaging. O-ring stopped air bubbles forming in a pump filter. Fit perfectly. Number 1. Impresa Spa Pump Union Gasket O-ring. Ensure a secure seal with our Spa Hot Tub Pump Union Gasket. It effectively prevents leaks, maintaining the efficiency of your spa plumbing. This gasket is ideal for various hot tub applications, functioning seamlessly as a pump or heater gasket. It provides a secure fit for your connections. With a 3-inch outer diameter and 2.2-inch inner diameter, these are designed for precise compatibility. Verify these dimensions to ensure a proper fit for your spa maintenance. Applying silicone grease facilitates secure installation and simplifies future removal. This enhances longevity and makes maintenance efficient. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these deliver long-lasting performance. This construction ensures reliability and durability in various pool and spa applications. Get a pack of 4 for your convenience. These are essential for maintaining your spa or hot tub. What we like. Crafted from durable silicone, this gasket provides a reliable, leak-resistant seal for your spa or hot tub pump unions. Its precision dimensions ensure a secure fit. If you're looking for a long-lasting, effective solution to prevent leaks in your hot tub's plumbing, this silicone gasket is an excellent option. What people say. Perfect fit. Easy to install. They work great, not the easiest thing to replace because you need to pull the pump hose off, but once in, no leaking. These gaskets were perfect for fixing the drip in less than 3 minutes. I changed both sides, and have 2 spares if needed at a later time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.